Hello everyone, this is the one of the best Rubik's Cube named as Raphael Garrick Cube. So let's start solving this cube. Before starting solving this cube, I'll inform you there are few systematical pattern which we need to learn. As all about, we have bifurcated this cube into 5 different steps. The 5 steps are, over here the first thing, we will match two white like this way of the corner, but with a matching of the piece. So like over here, just see the right hand side piece. White right hand side we have kept it, and then which color it is? Green. So if it is in a green, search another white and a green piece. You can see it is over here. So one white is over here and another white and green is over here. So if it is, see, white and green can be at 3 places. The first is over here, the second is down of it, and the third one will be at the top only. So if it is behind over here on the left side, just simply do right down and you can see both of them are in the matching. But what if, sir, the down piece which I have just shown you white and green, it is over here. If it is exactly down to it, then the first thing you need to remember is down shift and then right down, and see it is been matching. Once the two pieces are in matching, then we will match the another two. There are again two variations in it. The first is, once the two white are done, it can be down over here only, or else it can be behind. If the white, like this time it is behind, if it is behind, then simply you will do clock and it will be coming over here. So it's a back one which I just shown you. But if it is over here exactly down of the white, then just do down shift and back. You will automatically get the white. But now once the 4 whites are done, we will get even the center in the matching. If it is not done, like over here it's yellow, then keep doing back till the time center white is not coming, and see it is here over here. Once it is coming, even we should match this also. Normally you will get this type of a probability where 4 green are done but the center is not done proper. If the center is not done, just keep on switching it and the green is here. Now you can see all the places my 5 matchings are done. So now let's start doing with the edge of the piece. So for learning this edge, you will be checking there are 2 different variations. So what is it? The first is, check the color which is over here. It is yellow and red. So now in the cube we will search it where the yellow and red is required. Yellow and red is required over here on this piece. So it is diagonally, so we'll not see this. We'll check the another piece, like this is yellow and blue. So now where is yellow and blue required? So it is required over here because center yellow and center blue is over here. So keeping it straight line, we will do something which will switch this both the piece, because white and blue we want it over here as it is white and blue center, and yellow and blue we want it over here. So what we'll be doing is very simple. We'll be doing right up, shift. Again same, right up, shift, and you can see it is solved straight line properly. Same way, now we will do side change and you will check it over here. Is it in a straight line? Okay, so you can see it is already correct, because red and blue, already red and blue is there. If it is already correct, then simply you will do 4 times up and up. If it is not coming in 4 times, do it more 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can see the full cube is done. Yes everyone, thank you for watching. Hope you liked watching it. Bye.